Now let's go ahead and describe the domain and range, since now we have the graph in front of us. What do we say about the domain, which is the x values? It will not be all real numbers, because we do have a value that we say, no, x cannot be 3, right? So therefore, we will say the domain as from -infinity to 3 parentheses, not bracket, because we do not include 3, union, and then from 3 to infinity. Like it can get very close to 3, just never be 3. Like you can do a 2.99999 or 3.00001, but just not 3. Okay, so that's why we use parentheses around 3. Okay. All right. So what about the range, the y values? What do you say about, based on what we see here, can you say the range? Can it be all real numbers for the y values, the range?
Yeah. No.
Almost, but one value. Y cannot be in this case, or y wouldn't be 0. So in this particular case, the graph doesn't touch the horizontal asymptote. Again, it could, but it depends on the situation. In this case, it doesn't. Okay, it's more of a scenario thing. All right, now I'm going to do a y-intercept first, because y-intercept is so easy. Because what do we know about y-intercept? Y-intercept is when x is equal to 0, right? That's a fact. That is a fact. And you look at the function right here and say, what would y be if x is 0? -1/3. So it should be maybe I would modify my graph a little bit. So -1/3 should be right here. Okay, to reflect the accuracy of my drawing. So -1/3. Okay. Now for x-intercept, now I'm going to do this, okay, because I don't want to ruin your drawing. For x-intercept, it's when the y goes to 0, right? Now, let's think about this. We have a simple fraction right here. Okay, we have a simple fraction right here. Now, think about if 1 over x minus 3 equals 0. Think about this, all right? For this fraction, for a fraction equal to 0, what must happen? For any fraction to become 0. The numerator has to be 0, right? That's the only situation where a fraction could become 0. It's when the numerator becomes 0. And then you look at this. Can the numerator be 0? Nope. Therefore, there's none. And then the picture will show you that too. Right? This picture will show you that. Oh, yeah, that's not going to happen. Okay. So that's how we finish one drawing. So make sure you graph and you verify with an x value.